I'm Roisin McMahon and I'm a researcher at the Griffith Institute for Drug Discovery. My research is about discovering new antimicrobial drugs, which we urgently need to treat multi-drug resistant superbugs and also other very difficult to treat bacterial infections like melioidosis. Melioidosis is a tropical bacterial infection in northern Australia and Southeast Asia. There's no vaccine and it's a really tricky infection to treat. So typically patients have to take antibiotics for up to 3 months, and at least the 2 first weeks of that have to be delivered intravenously. Even with such an extensive treatment, up to 2/5 of patients will die. So we really need better treatment options for this infection. I'm working towards that by studying the structure of the biological machines, or the proteins, that bacteria use to assemble the weapons they need in order to cause infection. And I do this by growing crystals of proteins and exposing them to X-rays. Determining the structure of a protein is really just figuring out what it looks like and figuring out how the various parts of the biological machine fit together such that the machine works correctly. By knowing this structure, we can identify the weak points in the machine, or the chinks in the armor, that we can target with chemical compounds. So by studying the structure and identifying chemicals that interact with the structure, I'm working towards developing new antimicrobial drugs that will prevent bacteria from assembling their weapons and causing diseases like melioidosis. New drugs that act in a more short manner and are more effective would really improve patient outcomes for melioidosis both here in Australia and elsewhere in the world.